Raspberry Pi too slow? LattePanda 4GB, 64GB Windows Mini PC review. Game changer? Hey there. Ever felt your Raspberry Pi just choke on Windows applications, leaving your projects stalled and your frustration mounting? I have. I was staring at a half-built robot, cursing endless license hacks. Ever feel like your tools are working against you? If this hits home for you, let me know. Ever wondered why this LattePanda 4GB, 64GB Windows Mini PC changes everything? Let's dive right in. Here's the scene. Deadlines crush you, stress spikes. Burnout looms when single-board computers flake on real workloads. Tweaking Raspberry Pi Linux is endless, and your Arduino needs an extra board. It's a brutal drag, right? Now, imagine seamless control. The LattePanda 4GB, 64GB Enterprise Mini PC fuses raw Windows power with Arduino simplicity, all without the chaos. If you're struggling with dual-board nightmares, pay close attention. This might just change your entire game. Stay with me. So, let's enter the LattePanda. This is the 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, Windows Mini PC with an enterprise license, version 1.0. It's an accidental breakthrough. It blends an Intel Z8350 quad-core processor with a burst speed of 1.92 GHz for a snappy Windows 10 experience. It's 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB eMMC storage crush multitasking. And get this, there's an Arduino coprocessor right on the board. That means direct GPIO magic. No drivers needed. It's the sensory thrill of a one-cable wonder. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, HDMI, USB 3. It's total portable powerhouse vibes. A busy engineer friend of mine nearly botched a kiosk deadline. He plugged in the LattePanda, ran a full .NET user interface, plus live sensor polls in minutes. Suddenly, everything clicked. His robot danced flawlessly. Here's one quick tip. Setting up Arduino serial chat with Windows apps unlocks incredible hybrid hacks. The emotional rush? It's freedom from Pi limits. Pure maker joy. Ever felt that aha flow? This is where your efficiency explodes. Windows Enterprise LTSB boots, eternally stable. Those Arduino headers let you flex for any project. Your focus sharpens into professional results, and thousands rave. One single-board computer reviewer geeked out, quote, "An Intel plus Arduino fusion? It's a unique beast for the Internet of Things." A YouTuber hacker said, "Raspberry Pi users are jealous. Running Unity games and controlling motors is seamless." Analysts are nodding. 4.9 out of 5 stars across 12,000 reviews, calling it, quote, "bulletproof for kiosks." One lab tech reported, 28 units since 2016, over 40,000 hours with no crashes. And me? My robot's brain ran flawlessly. Temperatures stayed cool without a fan. Now, you might have an objection. Is it outdated? Nah. The permanent license and stable LTSB crush modern update chaos. A simple heatsink tweak equals beast mode. See why thousands can't stop talking about it. Its hybrid unique value proposition slays that dual board hell. Tell me, which of your pains does it fix? So what's the deepest thrill? The LattePanda 4GB, 64GB Windows Mini PC hands you eternal Windows and Arduino Unity. It's time to level up your Internet of Things projects, your robotics, your kiosks, right now. You'll be joining industrial pros, makerspaces, and hackers who are grabbing the last of the new old stock. Don't wait. Transform your workflow. Quantities are limited. Click the affiliate link below for this enterprise beast. And here's a secret to unlock. There's bonus Arduino to Windows bridge code waiting inside. Jump in and start hacking today. Your Raspberry Pi might just weep. Let me know you're ready.